If you're looking for a flavorful and easy to make salad, this Thai-inspired salad is a great alternative. And this version here, I've made keto, so we're not using any sugar. Instead, we're going to be using erythritol. So to get started, I'm taking a bowl with Korean chili powder. I'm going to squeeze in the juice of 1 lime, or about 2 tablespoons of lime juice. And then to that, I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of fish sauce. And if you're not used to it, fish sauce does have a strong smell to it. But once you combine it with all the other ingredients here, it's going to make a very delicious tasting salad dressing. And then I added in about a teaspoon of erythritol. Then all we have to do is just whisk that up until the erythritol is fully dissolved. We're getting all of the major flavors. We're getting umami and salty flavor from the fish sauce. We're getting sour from the lime. We're getting a little bit of heat from the chili powder, and then sweetness from the erythritol. And so for our salad, I'm just using some mixed greens, some julienne carrots, and some bean sprouts. Pour the salad dressing over it, mix it all up, and there we go. A delicious Thai-inspired salad. Hey, not bad.